Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and become a member for the Navy Federal Credit Union on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this App Store button right over here and simply go ahead and search for Navy Federal, just like that. Once you do that, it's going to take a little while, but it's going to go ahead and show it to you right over here. Simply go ahead and download and install this application on your mobile device. Now tap on open. Finally, once you've done that, all you need to do in order for you to sign up or become a member is tap on this become a member tab right over here. And once you do that, this is the page that is going to go ahead and pop up right over here. So it's going to say verify your eligibility. Click on continue. Go ahead and enter your email, confirm your email, and then it's going to go ahead and ask you some questions to determine your eligibility. Once you're eligible, it will ask you for your SSN, your name, your address, and once you do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Navy Federal account. A minimum $5 balance is required to establish and maintain membership, so that is what you'll need to do. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you